Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how we can make carrot halwa, easy method. Grate the carrots finely, then heat ghee in a heavy pan, and add the grated carrots immediately to toast lightly for 2 to 3 minutes while stirring constantly to release aroma and prevent sticking. Begin by pouring the measured milk into the pan with the toasted carrots and maintain a low simmer, stirring occasionally to prevent scorching while the milk reduces. When the mixture thickens, add the sugar and continue cooking slowly so the mixture becomes dense and cohesive without drying out or sticking to the pan. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep and halwa storage so much easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. They keep portions fresh and prevent spills, which is handy after making a batch. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Once the halwa is thick and cohesive, stir in the chopped nuts and cardamom powder, then pour in the remaining ghee while folding gently to create a glossy finish. Taste and adjust sugar or ghee as needed, then transfer to a serving dish so it can cool slightly and set, making it perfect for immediate serving or refrigeration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.